Hello everyone, today's video I show you how to find out your subscribers that unsubscribe to your channel. Make sure you log in, and in this mouse that's your profile picture. Click that, and then you go to the YT Studio. Let's load in. Now you see the YT Studio. You can see in your dashboard, so your profile, your video, and then you said channel analytics, and then current subscribers. You scroll down, so you have a latest comment. Next, your recent subscribers. In the recent subscribers, you click this see all. See, when you here in the see all, you see that is subscribers that is still in there. See this one? So it's still in there, and this another one is unsubscribed. This one unsubscribed. And then you check that by, if you want to check, this is 90 days. So this is 90 days. So you can see who's still in there or who's gone. And then you go check, like you want only to check 7 days. So the 7 days, so I don't have no 7 days in this one, but it's showing up if happened here in 7 days is in there. Now I want to check in 28 days, so I don't have in 28 days, so I have in 90 days. Yes, that's my 90 days. Or you check to, like, you've been a while on YT, so you gotta do the 365 days. So I mean, that's all, everybody. So that's how you find out, guys, your subscribers, if you still in there, and that's what day they are subscribed and what day they are unsubscribed. So it's showing in there, like this one is November 5th 2020, so this person is unsubscribed. So, and then that's how you find out. So your decision is yours, what you're gonna do to the people that unsubscribe to you. So that's yours. That's only I want to show you how to find out your subscribers that unsubscribe to your channel. Thank you for watching. If this helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you notify when my new upload video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.